Welcome to US Polyco Best Practices video series. This video is to demonstrate the proper way to test the softening point of US Polyco material on an automatic Mettler. The heating method for this test is very important. Please make sure to view the introduction video, Preferred Sample Heating Method, before continuing. If you have already viewed the introduction video, then you are ready to test your sample rings. Materials required for this test are Mettler rings, glass tubes, 3.2 gram balls, caps, sample carrier, Mettler machine, and of course, your safety materials. Following the preferred sample heating method, the softening point rings are now properly cooled and trimmed and are ready to be tested. Make sure the automatic Mettler is preheated ahead of time. ASTM method D3461 recommends starting 20 to 25 degrees Celsius below the expected softening point. We have found 185 degrees Fahrenheit works well. Place your rings on the glass tubes, a ball on each ring, and cover with the cap. Next, insert the rings into the sample carrier. Make sure to clean the surface of the glass tubes before loading into the Mettler to avoid any smudges or dirt. An unclean tube can interfere with the internal camera and your test results. Allow 30 seconds for the machine to reach temperature with your samples in before starting your test. As you watch the test run, each ball will push on the material until it reaches the bottom of the glass tube. In a correct drop, material should fall straight down without touching the sides. The machine will measure the softening points and provide results when finished. Using the preferred heating method, our experience has shown a substantial improvement between the certificate of analysis and customer results. By following this method, your results should be consistent and repeatable. Here are a few key points to remember. Make sure you heat your material to 360 degrees Fahrenheit before pouring. The best way to do this is with a thermocell and frequent stirring. Make sure to use a heated scraper or knife to trim surfaces flat. Make sure your Mettler tube is clean before performing a test. Preheat Mettler before running. Don't forget to wait 30 seconds after inserting the sample carrier for the machine to regain temperature. Thank you for viewing US Polyco's Best Practices video.